Nicole, why you like to do that? Don't do that, baby. Come on. What happened to my baby girl? Oh, shh. What happened to you? Nicole, don't do that. What happened to you? You want mommy put you in a big box? Then put sell? Sell in the Philippines? You want? If you not stop like that, I can put you in the big box, I can put a sale, then I can send you in the Philippines. Ooh. Nicole. You're tired, Nicole. Come here. Maybe you wanna sleep. Come here.